Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I was thinking about my problem and I'm having like a lean condition at wide open throttle. I'm thinking that's the issue. Well, I went through the vacuum lines and checked everything again, and I was about to pull the charcoal canister down here and pull that splash guard back. Well, I started looking at the regulator, did a key on test, and the regulator was a tad low. It's right now. But I started looking at all this vacuum, and then I realized, hey, it goes through all this nitrous stuff. Then I realized there's no nitrous bottle in the back. So that means this thing is sucking air in right here. You see what I'm saying? I went and got a bolt and blocked that off. And now my fuel pressure is now jumped up. So let me show you where this goes into. It goes in here, and that's behind the mass airflow sensor, as you see. It also goes back here to manifold pressure, and it goes here to the regulator on the top. So I guess that was sucking a lot of air in. Vacuum was causing it to suck air in through that back part there, because the fuel pressure just jumped up when I got a screw out of the back of my truck. Tried to find something to block this off. I didn't have a fitting, or the bottle didn't come with this car. But I screwed this in. I was going to silicone the top here and silicone here, but this is just like temporary to see what's up. So I guess I need to go ahead and put fuel in and retest. I'm going to go ahead and turn the key on for you. We're going to check the fuel pressure now. Oh, I rigged up a battery as well and took out the tray. Took it out of my supercharged car. That joker works good. Now, I don't know if you can see. Let me zoom in here. Son of a biscuits. Well, you can see we're right about 35. I'd say maybe 34. So we're at 34 right now. It was around 30, 32 before I hooked that vacuum up. So we'll have to see from here, test. So as always, guys, like, subscribe, and share, and keep on dreaming.